Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 8 lesson 8 cross or Cartesian join. Cross join or Cartesian join is the join of every row from the first table with every row from the second table. So here if you do a cross join between table employees which contains 107 records with table departments which contains 27 records, the output will be of the cross join is 107 records multiplied by 27 records, which is equal to 2889 rows. Cross join here, he will take the first record and join it with every record from the second table. So here he will return, for example, if you are selecting last name and department name, he will return Wallen administration, Wallen marketing, Wallen purchasing, Wallen human resource, Wallen shipping, Wallen IT, Wallen public relations, and so on. Each record will be joined to every record in the second table. That's why the output of the cross join will be number of rows from the first table multiplied by the number of rows from the second table. Actually, cross join is not used to produce meaningful data, but it's used mainly to produce a huge amount of data for testing. How to write a cross join? Select column list from table 1, cross join table 2. This is an example how to write a cross join statement. Select last name, department ID, department name from table employees, cross join table departments, order by the second column in this list. So he will return each row from the first table joined with each row in the second table. So he will return Higgins 110 IT support, Higgins 110 operation, Higgins, and so on. So each row in the first table is joined with each row in the second table. So in this lesson we learned what is the cross join and how to write a cross join statement. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.